Dragon GL3 and GL4 approach path indicators. Dismounting and packing away. Switch off. Remove the shroud. Replace the lens cap. Remove the compass. Unscrew both knobs together. Remove the short lead and battery tester. Stow the lead and the compass. Place the battery in the case. The output plug must face upwards. Replace the dust cap and pan the projector so that the input socket lines up with the pan knob. Failure to do this may cause damage to the pan knob when placing in the case. Turn the level base release anti-clockwise and lift the projector away. The arrow shows the cutout in the packing that accepts the pan knob. Slide the shroud over the projector. Make sure that the cleaning kit is in place. Pack the projector. Remove the level base and pack away the tripod. Stow the base. Note the position of the two studs. Before packing away, adjust each wheel in the middle of its range of travel. The line indicated should be positioned as shown. Close the case. If any parts of the kit are wet or damp, try out as soon as possible before long-term storage.